If this looks like the same place that I recorded the last video, trust your instincts. Funny enough, that's what we're talking about today. By we, I mean me and a fuzzy mic to you on the receiving end whenever you happen to see this. Listen to your instincts. They evolved such that you can react when thinking wasn't an option. However, notice what I didn't say. I didn't say act on your instincts. Sometimes you need to. We're not talking about, oh crap, somebody just started shooting at me, or hey, there's a car coming my way. We're talking about everyday activities. When your primitive sections of your brain think you should react instinctually, but they're leading you down probably the wrong path, potentially the wrong path in our current day-to-day life. Right? You're not being chased by a saber-toothed tiger. There's no reason you should be as anxious as the average office worker. So I didn't say act on your instincts. I said listen. And I'm also saying trust your instincts, but don't trust them to a fault. That's the whole point of this video. What do I mean? Look, sometimes the instinct is going to drive you in the right direction. That's great. Consider that a bonus. Other times, it's going to lead you to punch somebody in the face when you should have used words instead. Probably don't listen to that. Keeping it real might put you in jail. Just remember that intrusive thoughts are a lot like instincts. You should act accordingly. All right, brother, I'll end this short one. I will spare you the lecture on stoicism and philosophy. Just remember that instincts are the fastest. The next layer is emotion and feelings. You don't have to act on those either. You then have the opportunity for rational thought. And finally, you have actions. Love you, brother.